Hi guys, welcome to new video. In today's video, we will teach you best technique of knife attack. If someone puts a knife in this position, then how to defend yourself. There is very difficult situation when he puts a knife on your neck and pin to a wall or tree. This is very dangerous condition. If you move anywhere, your neck can be cut. We tried many techniques but no one worked perfectly. But now we are telling you a best technique. So tell us comment box how it works or not. So let's start. Step number 1. First you will grab his wrist tightly with your right hand. Step number 2. Now you will do quickly punch on his jab like this way. These two movements you will do at once. You can see when I do punch, his knife will be out from your neck. Step number 3. Now you quickly grab his arm in this position as you can see in the video. Watch very carefully this step. Now you will pin him with the wall. Now again more twist his arm and snatch a knife from him. Guys, now we'll show you this technique from the other side, so watch very carefully if you want to learn this technique. Step number 1. Grab his wrist, punch. Now lock his arm in this way and snatch the knife from him. Guys, now we'll show you this technique in fast motion. Guys, hope you like this video, and if you want to learn this technique, then you have to a lot of practice of these steps. You will do 30 to 40 times practice of this step in a day. And if you do just 2 or 3 times, then you can't do this technique. And when you do the practice, use the safety equipments, otherwise anyone can be injured. So guys, please share our video with your friends and subscribe our channel and like our video and press the bell icon. Thank you.